What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you guys something seriously awesome. I'm going to show you guys how you can connect a PS4 controller or even an Xbox One controller to your device on iOS 12 and play any MFI controller supported game and even emulators with your controller. This is so cool. This is basically controllers for all for iOS 12. A bit of a disclaimer, this is on the newest versions for iOS 12, but you will have to be on the jailbreakable versions of iOS 12 in order to do this, because this is a application we will be downloading through CYDIA. Now, if you guys are tuning in and you guys want more information on what is the most current jailbreak, be sure to check out the playlist link I have down in the description. I'll keep that fully up to date, and any new jailbreaks or any new information can be found there for those of you wondering. But anyways, like I said, we're going to be downloading a package from CYDIA or application, and it's going to allow us to connect controllers to our device. This is basically the newest version of controllers for all, but kind of redone basically. So let's go into CYDIA, and as you can see, the package here is called nControl. This is a paid package. It's $10. In my opinion, it's 100% worth it, because I find value in spending that to be able to use these controllers to play games on my device. So the $10 is worth it to me. Now, if we read the description, as you guys can see right here, use Sony DualShock 4/Slim, so you can use your PS4 controller, the Xbox One controller. Now, I will be covering the Xbox One controller in its own video, because there's some things you guys need to know about this controller in order for it to work. You also can use the Evo VR Pro /Mini controllers and Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers in any application that supports MFI controllers, including emulators like Provenance, which is awesome. Now, expect a lot of coverage or a lot of videos on this stuff, guys, just because I always get geeked out when I can connect controllers to my device and play games on it. I just think it's so awesome. But you will need that package, and once you have installed it, it is right here. It's pretty straightforward. Just launch it. Pretty simple interface here. So the next thing we're going to need to do is connect our PS4 controller to our device. To do that, it's really quite easy. Just hold the PlayStation button and the share button. Just hold them both at once until the controller starts to flash. So there you go. And as you can see, as soon as it started flashing, it did show up there on nControl. Now from here, we can just select on it. We can click on the little button in the upper right there, and then connect device. And now we are connected. You can tell because the light goes solid on your controller. And that's literally all you got to do. And now we can play MFI supported games and also emulators. Now, if you guys are curious on what applications have MFI support, I found a pretty cool application in the App Store here that shows you all of the best games that do have controller support. As you guys can see here, you can see the paid, the free. There's a few different sections. I will leave the link for this in the description as well. I'll leave you guys a bunch of links so you can basically have your device set up like this. But we'll just demo it on Crossy Road because it's free, and it doesn't require landscape, so that works out pretty good for this. So as you guys can see, literally just use your controller. And I think this is seriously awesome. This is so cool. Basically, controllers for all for iOS 12. Oh, we almost died. I just think it's so cool. This is a very simple, basic game to be showing on how to use this. But keep in mind, you can play like first-person shooters and a bunch of stuff. It's so cool. There's endless possibilities with the games when you use a controller on your device. Let's just go ahead and die here. There we go. So as you guys can see, it does work. This is obviously an MFI supported game, and that's really all you got to do. Like I said, guys, I'll have more coverage of this in the future in separate videos on how to use it with emulators. Like I said, I'll be doing the Xbox One controller in its own dedicated video, so stay tuned. Everything you need is in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.